In this quick video guide, we're gonna see how we can use a really interesting tool in Blender, which is called the rock generator. So here we are in Blender, and if you're interested in Blender, you will find a full video course and right for information, but you will find also a playlist of the video guides and the course dedicated to Blender in our channel. So right here, I'm just going to add a mesh. So I am in the add mesh menu, and you can see there we have the rock generator down there. Now you probably see that uh, your system will be a little bit different. That's because we need to add a specific add-on, which I'm going to show you. Now just going to get rid of the initial cube, and this is the rock right here. So every time you click on that add rock generator, is going to add a custom a random rock. So to add that extra stuff in the mesh menu, you need to go to edit preferences, and you need to make sure that you turn on this one here, which is called the add mesh extra objects. So you can look for it by typing extra on the search bar and the add-ons page. And here now you should see this extra stuff, which includes the rock generator. So again, you click there and it's going to generate a rock for you. And so make sure that the add-on mesh extra is activated, and that's it. Then you can continue here to click, and you can see they will add more and more rocks. Now every time it's going to generate a different rock. So you can move this, and also you can set up the parameters on the bottom left. So you need to do that before you actually move or rotate or whatever. So once you click and insert the rock, you can open or expand that bottom menu, and you can start to play here with the different parameters. You can also add more rocks to your generated rock, and you can see like it's really a random generator. It's gonna like regenerate every time that you move something. So just go there, experiment with these parameters, and you will see many different objects. You can also go to the bottom and select the presets. This one here is fake ocean. Then you have like other type of rocks like ice or sandstone, and well, just go there and see what's in there. Asteroid, river rock, so it's pretty smooth. So depending on how you adjust then the parameters, you can have like something looking more like a something from a river, a rock from a river or from the sea, or if you want to have something stranger here. And you can also adjust the details in the display and the smoothness and the roughness and so on. So it's just a matter of playing a little bit with the tool. It's really self-explanatory, really simple to use, and this is just a quick tip again of a particular tool that can be useful for environment art, environment design, but also like product design, jewelry design, if you want to create gemstones or something more particular when you are developing your jewelry like rings or whatever. And this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, subscribe to stay updated for more. And if you want to give us a little thank you, if you want to support us, support our channel, you can join the channel as a supporter. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.